U.S. lifts chip software export curbs on China, trade truce signal. The U.S. government has officially lifted its export restrictions on semiconductor design software to China, signaling a notable shift in the ongoing trade tensions between the two nations. On Thursday, three of the world's top electronic design automation companies, Siemens AG, Synopsys, and Cadence, each confirmed receiving formal letters from the U.S. Department of Commerce. These letters stated that previous export controls have been rescinded, effectively reopening access for Chinese customers to critical chip design tools. Although Siemens AG is headquartered in Germany, its chip design software division, Siemens EDA, is based in Oregon, United States. In response to the U.S. decision, Siemens announced that it has restored full access to the previously restricted software and technologies. The company also confirmed that it has resumed sales and customer support services for its Chinese clients. Synopsys and Cadence, both U.S.-based leaders in the EDA industry, stated that they are currently working toward reinstating access and support for customers in China. This marks a major reversal of the U.S. policy announced just weeks earlier, on May 23, when chip design software companies were instructed to obtain licenses before exporting such software or related technologies to China. That policy was an extension of broader restrictions that previously targeted high-performance AI chips produced by companies like Nvidia and AMD. In immediate market response to the news, shares of Synopsys and Cadence each rose by approximately 5% on Thursday, reflecting investor optimism about the reopening of the China market. The three companies, Synopsys, Cadence, and Siemens EDA, collectively dominate the global electronic design automation industry. This sector includes specialized software, hardware, and services essential for designing integrated circuits and semiconductor devices. According to data from TrendForce, their respective global market shares in 2024 stand at 31% for Synopsys, 30% for Cadence, and 13% for Siemens EDA. Earlier in May, Synopsys CEO Sassine Ghazi disclosed during an earnings call that the company experienced a slowdown in China during its fiscal second quarter, which ended April 30. Chinese clients accounted for roughly 10% of Synopsys' $1.6 billion in quarterly revenue, underscoring the significance of the Chinese market for its business. Meanwhile, China has been actively promoting its domestic chip design software sector in an effort to reduce reliance on foreign technology and develop homegrown capabilities. This policy shift aims to encourage innovation and strategic independence in the semiconductor supply chain. The lifting of these restrictions follows China's recent indication that it is making progress in trade negotiations with the U.S., including conditional agreements to resume certain exchanges of rare earth materials and advanced technologies. The timing suggests that both countries may be seeking to ease some of the pressure in their ongoing tech rivalry, at least temporarily. In the context of global semiconductor tensions, the U.S. reversal on EDA software export controls represents a potentially stabilizing gesture, one that may influence further decisions in both policy and commerce in the months ahead.